In this video, I'm going to talk about some camping gear that's reasonably priced, reasonable quality, and can save you some money. And it's gear from Harbor Freight. Now, I know it's not the best gear, but sometimes we don't need the best gear. Sometimes we need some gear just to get it done. That's where Harbor Freight comes in. Hey, I'm Chuck with Lake to Lake. Glad you joined. I've been RVing for years, and you know what? I've made every mistake in the book. And my goal is to keep you from making the same mistakes I made. That way I can save you money, I can save you frustrations, and you can have a great stress-free camping environment. Okay, let's get started. Bungee cords. Everybody needs bungee cords. Here you get 12 of them for $6.99. Are they the best quality? No, but they're a good quality. And you know what? You get 12 of them. There's all sorts of places you can use bungee cords. You can secure down your cooler lid. During storms, you can hold down your camp stove top. All sorts of uses. And believe me, for $6.99, you just really can't go wrong. And you know what? You get 12 of them. Next thing, the big red bag, extra large bag, 19-gallon bag, holds 55 pounds of gear. I'll tell you what, this thing you can really pack the stuff in with it. You know what? Whether you're loading groceries from the grocery store to the RV, whether you're taking stuff from the house to the RV or the RV to the house, the clothing, camping gear, whatever you need, you can pile it in this thing. And for 99 cents, you just can't go wrong. And you know what else? Maybe you want to buy 2 or 3 of them. At 99 cents, you just can't go wrong. You know, they're kind of imitating those old IKEA bags that they used to have, which maybe they still have, I don't know. Haven't been to IKEA for a while. But you know what? They're a good deal, and they're reliable, and we use them. Next thing, Predator generators. Now, you know the best thing about Predator generators is they have an over-the-counter warranty on these. So if you got a problem within the warranty frame, you just take it in, they give you a new one. They don't have to send in and get it fixed. You just get a brand new one over the counter. The other thing, you go around to campsites all over the country, you see great, big, huge Class A diesel pushers, Predator generators sitting outside. You see a little bitty pop-up camper, Predator generator outside. And also in the Kansas City area, we see a lot, and I do mean a lot, of food trucks with the Predator generators on there. You know what that tells me? It tells me they got to be a good value for the money. Are they the quality of a Honda? Absolutely not. But you can get 2 of them for the price of a Honda. And Honda does not have an over-the-counter exchange warranty. All right, now, you know, everything being said, you got a generator. What do you need? You need a gas can. 5-gallon gas can, 5-gallon gas can, $21.99. And you know what? I hate since the government got involved in making gas cans safer. If you ask me, they've just made them more dangerous. You have more apt to spill them all over yourself and your equipment. But anyway, but still, $21.99 for 5-gallon gas tank or gas can, it's not a bad deal. And if you get the generator, you need the gas. So you might as well buy them both at the same place, Harbor Freight. And I'm not getting paid by Harbor Freight either. Next thing, everybody needs a camp table. And the best thing about this one, it's collapsible. It folds up. It's easy to store. It's easy to carry. It's got cup holders. It's got places to put things. It's lightweight, whether you're going RV camping, whether you're going tailgating, or whether it's just on the back deck at your house. This little collapsible table is the cat's meow. I'm telling you what, it's good, it's reliable. It'll last a few years, and then you go buy another one. In fact, most people lose them or forget them. They're good, they're reliable, they do what they say they're going to do, and you won't go wrong. Now, if you got a table, what else do you need? You got to have a chair sitting around the table. So here you go. Harbor Freight has this awesome camping chair, and I'm telling you what, it's sturdy. It's for larger adults can sit in this thing, and you won't have any problems. Now, I don't know about all these pockets on the side. That's not necessarily for me. But you know what? It's a good, strong chair. It's safe. And it matches your table. Why not buy it? Why not get them both at the same place? Next thing is a hammock. Even though it's a port, I'm not getting in this hammock. I'm 67 years old. I'm just not going to do it. Because you know what? It's not getting in that's the problem. It's getting out. Because when it decides it wants me out, I'm going out, whether I'm ready to go or not. But my grandson, now he's a different story. Now he's only 75 pounds, and he can handle a hammock. And if it decides it wants him out, it won't hurt him, not like it will me. But the best thing about this thing is it comes in its own collapsible container. It comes with its straps to wrap it around the tree. It's fun. It's cheap for $19.99. Can you really go wrong? No. But if you're 67 years old, you need to have second thoughts before you get in it. But let the kids and grandkids have at it. Ammo box. Ammo box. Everybody needs an ammo box. Not for ammo. For all the little tidbits and stuff. What do you need an ammo box for? You need an ammo box for all the fasteners, the nuts, the screws, the bolts, the tape, all the things that you need to keep your rig going. And you need it's a junk drawer with a handle is basically what it is. And it's got a waterproof lid, so it'll keep moisture out. I'm not saying you want to throw it in the water and see if it won't fill up. I'm not saying it's that waterproof, but it is water resistant. I'll give it at least that. So if you need something to put all your little things, junk drawer with a handle, you know, $8.99, you just can't beat the price. Tent stakes. You get tent stakes. You get 6 tent stakes for $6.99. Now, I'm not a big fan of these tent stakes, but for the price, you can't go wrong. And if you just need them as a backup in case you lose your good ones, which I got some good ones, I got a video on that, these will definitely suffice. And they got this bright yellow nylon clip on them, so you won't lose them. And they work. They're 10 inches long. You can't go wrong. You know, they're just some things that you got to have extras of, and one of them is tent stakes. And what do you do with the tent stake? You stake down your canopy. A 10 by 10 canopy for $57.99. Now you got the stakes from the one earlier. Now you got the canopy. Now this canopy, it's just going to keep the sun from beating down on you. And we're getting into summertime here in the Midwest, and it gets hot. And you don't want that sun on you. And whether you got kids, grandkids, parents, grandparents, whatever, you don't want to be out in the sun. We don't want cancer sneaking into our lives because we didn't cover up in the shade. So get a sunshade, get a canopy, stake it down with the stakes, sit underneath it, be cool, be safe, and why not spend $57.99? 8-inch folding pruning saw. The best thing about this is it's the price, $5.99. This is one of those things you throw in your toolbox, or you throw in the back of your truck, or you throw it in the basement, and you have it there just that time you pull into your campsite. You back in, and there's a tree branch in the way. You grab this $6 saw, unfold it, cut down the branch. You know what? You just can't go wrong. Do you want to use this all day long? Absolutely not. It's a cheapie. It's one of those 1 or 2 times a year things that you have. And you have it in an emergency. And you're going to benefit from it. And you know what? If you forget you have it and you buy another one for $6, it's no biggie. So anyway, but you need it to protect your rig, save you some money in the long run. All right, here's my favorite. It's a lamp and a bug zapper that's chargeable, that runs on batteries. You know what? It's fun. That's the bottom line. And you know, you can get rid of bugs at night. You can turn on the light. And you can have a little bit of see what's going on, and the kids love it. And the best thing about it is my grandson. Sometimes he wants to sleep in a tent. I can hang this up in the tent. It's got a light. It's got a bug zapper, and he's happy. Now, does he always sleep in the tent? No. You never know when we go out. If I'll bring the tent in case I want to sleep in it. And we get it out there. Oh, I don't want to sleep in the tent this time. Next time, I got to sleep in the tent, you know. So, but hey, it's a light and it's a bug zapper, and he can use it in the tent. Grandkids love stuff like that. I'm telling you what. Plus, you can't hurt anybody with it. That's a secret right there. You got to get a bottle opener that's a 5/8 inch wrench from Harbor Freight. You know why? Because sometimes you got to open a bottle of root beer and you got to have an opener. And what a great novelty item to have. And it's a conversation piece. Your neighbors, you can say, hey, look at my bottle opener. Let's see yours, you know, that type thing. It's a conversation piece. And it's just fun. And if your grandkids runs off of it and shows it off, so be it. So anyway, I think that'll wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm telling you what, Harbor Freight has some good, reasonably priced products at a reasonable quality, and you won't go wrong buying the ones that I showed you. And if you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, please subscribe. It sure would help the channel. And until we meet around the campfire, y'all take care now. Bye-bye.